It is the Friday edition of the Law and You here on Eyewitness News. We're getting ready for the first weekend of June, and back with us as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Good to see you guys tonight.
Let's get to the question. Greg's ready to get the happy hour at the lake.
The hotline party is about to start roaring. So here we go. This is an issue involving a situation in a parking lot for Leanne in Wanami. She says, I was walking through a supermarket parking lot and was hit by a car while I was pushing my cart. I injured my back and my leg. I don't own a car, and I'm not sure how to go about paying my medical bills because I don't have health insurance. Can I sue the driver? What does Leanne try to do here?
Yeah, so Leanne, that's a really interesting question, and this happens, a lot more than people think. So in Pennsylvania, for your medical benefits is a no-fault state when it comes to automobile insurance, which would mean that if you had automobile insurance, your medical bills would be paid by your first-party medical benefits on your policy. Now, the fact that you don't have a policy, you're going to fill out what's called an affidavit of no insurance, and the person who hit you, their policy will become the go-to for payment for your medical bills. It essentially becomes your policy for that. And if you have to file a lawsuit against them, you can now collect from them on the bodily injury limits as well. So that policy ends up becoming both the first-party policy and the third-party policy in this particular type of setting.
That's exactly right. And then obviously you said you were injured, so the main things you need to do after you're injured is to go to the emergency room, family doctor. If you need to see a specialist, you go see the specialist. Listen to your doctors, document everything, get your medications, any wage loss, take pictures, all that stuff, whatever you got to do, get your file together. And in this situation, probably need to pick up the phone and call an attorney.
And our viewers who want to do that, how can they reach you guys?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
You definitely need to call an attorney, because I will tell you that even though it's the insurance company's obligation to tell you that you're entitled to those benefits, 99% of the time they don't. So the only way you're going to know that you get those benefits is by having a lawyer handle that for you.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
You got it.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.